damn. No lights. Turn the lights off.
I got flashback.
Here we are, another unboxing video. Today, we bring you a Tomei oversized oil pan for SR20 DET. This fits everything. S13, S14, S15. Let's open it up, see what's inside. You want to eat these? What else is in here? You know, I like to check everything else out first. We got the instructions. It's 2022, right? Yeah, it's 2022. And no one gives you instructions anymore. They give you a little code, so hope you got a phone. Because if you don't, you're on your own. That rhymed. Let's get this box out of here. Got your instructions, got your stickers and hardware. Let's open up the oil pan. There she is. So obviously this is not an aluminum oil pan like the Greddy one. This is actually my favorite oil pan on the market for SR20. The reason being is, I've never seen it happen, but I would assume a Greddy oil pan would shatter when it hits the ground somewhere, because it's aluminum and this is some sort of steel. Is this stainless steel? Yeah, so this is stainless steel. I mean, in theory this should dent when it gets hit and not shatter like the Greddy one. Stainless, nice. It's nice stuff. What are the benefits of this oil pan? The size is obviously a benefit because you get more oil capacity. And what that will do is disperse the heat better when you're driving. And another benefit is you have baffles inside. So when cars go side to side, especially during drifting or road racing, it will try to keep the oil right under the pickup, instead of all the oil sloshing to one side, and then the pickup has it has a chance to starve the engine if all the oil is going to one side. So with the setup like this, you know, that's basically the main purpose of these oversized oil pans, are the baffles, to stop the oil from sloshing left to right. What else we have on here? We have two ports here: oil drain, oil temp sensor, which you don't have to use. If you don't have a gauge and you don't want to use it, I'm sure they include some sort of, yeah, they include a fill plug, so you can put that there. So this is the drain bolt. Chris, do you know if these drain bolts are the same as the Nissan ones? It looks...
Yeah, it's OEM Nissan.
Yeah, so it's the same size as the OEM Nissan one. There actually is an OEM Nissan crush washer in there anyway. So you could use the Greddy drain plug. Yeah, so you could use the magnetic Greddy drain plugs. I don't think we did an unboxing on one of those yet, but we will. Damn, I probably should have cleaned my nails before this. And they include hardware to mount the oil pan to the upper oil pan. So you pretty much got everything here. That's it. That's the Tomei oversized oil pan for SR20. Pretty nice piece. Bye.